are looking to move abroad in 2025, consider Finland. In today's opportunity, there is no age limit, you don't need any IELTS, and you can move with your family to a great destination, one of the great countries in Europe, one of the Schengen countries in Europe called Finland. If you are interested to move to Finland for 100% free, then this video is for you, and I will encourage you to continue watching. Finland is another great location for migrants in 2025 and above. Finland is a great country in the Schengen area. I always tell people that what Finland can offer you, UK, Canada, and US will not offer you that. In Finland, your children will go to school for free till their university age. Who does that? Here in the UK, your children can only stop free education at the secondary level. University, you pay for it. But if you move to Finland, you will have this amazing opportunity. Finland have one of the best passports in the whole world, guys. And Finland is a destination for an amazing education, a destination that you will not regret moving into. Dear besties, welcome back to another. Is your favorite baby girl, Mama Positivity, in the building. If you are joining us for the first time, my name is Adeze. On this channel, I make content on how you can relocate to your dream country without breaking the bank. We appreciate if you like this video and share this video because we rise by lifting others. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and be a part of my amazing family. In today's video, I will be walking you through the step-by-step application procedure, how you can move to Finland in 2025 with your family, with your loved ones. So besties, in today's video, I will be teaching you how to move to Finland with your family in 2025, your entire family. And in today, we will be exploring the education route. Yes, the education route, the free Finland education, which is the Finland vocational education. A school called Omnia have opened their application for 2025. And application started since February 18 and it will end on March 18th of 2025. Guys, I saw this thing and I decided to come and bring it to your own notice that another school is highly recruiting. And remember, vocational education in Finland is 100% free. I will show you on my screen the two programs that are taking students for and is taught in English taught program. And then I will teach you a step-by-step on how to do this application. That is why I am here. So bring your jotter, bring your popcorn and your Pepsi. Relax, is about to go down. So right now, I will be going to my screen to show you how to do a step-by-step application and land in Finland by August 2025 with your family. So if you are interested and you want to move to Finland, comment Finland in the comment section below. I will encourage you to give this a trial and you will not regret doing so. Last year, one of us got Riveria College in Finland. I am trying to bring her here to give her testimony. She's just trying to settle and I can't wait for her to come and testify. Let's go to my screen and let me show you how she did it, how you too can do it and land in Finland. So guys, one of the programs that is currently open is the vocational qualification in restaurant services, restaurant cook. All right. So guys, and the school that is giving you this opportunity is called Omnia. Now, let us come down my screen. You can see it's all about you learning how to cook, and then it is taught in English. I'm going to increase my page so that you see it very clear. You see, this education type is vocational education. You will study this for good 3 years, besties. Okay? Yes, it's for 3 years. And then the language of instruction is English. So whenever you see the one that is taught in English, it is for international applicants. Then the teaching time is daytime teaching. The fees is for free of charge. Guys, this is the part I want you to have a look at. The free is 100% fee. You are not paying any tuition for this opportunity. The forms of teaching is contact teaching. That means you will be in person to study. It is not blended. Blended means online and in person, or online, but this is contact teaching. That means you should be in person. The training consists of inspiring training days, learning tasks, group and project work, independent work, instruction in small groups, and on-the-job learning. There are 3 to 5 training days per week. Can you see that? Guys, the scope of studies is 180 that competence points. So guys, this is it for this opportunity, and let me show you how to apply. Now, you can see that the application is ongoing. You scroll down. So the application will end on the 18th of March 2025, and the study will start in August 2025. So if you are ready to move to Finland by August 2025, this is for you. So pay attention to the application procedure right now. So guys, I will come down. Yes, I will scroll down to fill in application. We'll click on that. So guys, back to my screen, admission information events. All right. So here you go. You will put your first name, your surname. So this place they say nationality. You have to change it to your country. Let's say Nigeria. All right. If you put Nigeria, you see, do you have a Finnish identity? You will say no. So you will now be left to put your date of birth, gender information, place and country of birth, your passport number, your national ID number, then your email address. Put your email address, country of residence. You put Nigeria, that you are not in Finland. You are in Nigeria, guys. Okay. Address, postcode, address, postal code, city and country, native language, like that. All right. Guidance information. If you are under 18, you fill that section. Highest level of education. So guys, try to fill foreign education completed outside Finland. Okay. Yeah. So let them know that you completed your education outside Finland. So this is the level of education they need you to have outside Finland. So you'll be using your secondary education, details of your education. If it's degree, you put. If it's secondary education, you put. Okay. So you choose here secondary education, upper secondary education, as I have done. You basically fill out all this form. All right. Once you finish filling this form, you come up this page and submit your application. Look at that up there. You see submit application. You can preview and all that. So guys, when you are done, you send. So there's another program that they have, the same Omnia, and it's vocational qualification in cleaning and property services, site facilities operative, guys. Yeah, so you can also put in that one as well. It's also free of charge. So it depends on the program you want to go for, and the application is also ending on the 18th of March. Okay, so it also depends on the program you want to go. So choose any of these two. I would pin the link to these two in the description box for your usual. All right. So guys, like I said earlier, so guys, there's a lot of free opportunities in Finland that will enable you to move to Finland with your lovely family, with your family in 2025. Guys, this is it, and I will encourage you, if you're interested in free masters, free PhD, free BSc, let me know in the comment section, and I will do another video to show you how to navigate the study info website, which is the official website where you apply for anything education in Finland. Just know that a lot of free opportunities for you to move to Finland. Last year as well, one of us here moved to Finland with a reduced nursing degree program, and she got it when I shared the link, and today she's in Finland doing well. Started her nursing school, and she's also settling down well. So guys, all these are opportunities out there that you can explore. It mustn't be a work visa. If you have been trying for a work visa, it's not working. and it's not working, this is a time for you to look out and try something else. Maybe God is saying something else, or maybe another thing will work for you. Just don't break the bank. Only do things that you have the means and you have the capacity to do, so that you don't, stretch yourself too much. Guys, I wish you the best of luck, besties. I am rooting for you to try this out and see if it will work for you. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.